Welcome back to my channel. My name is Darshil Contractor and I am in Saputara.
When the stars align with a certain mind, you can read the lines and you shall find a universal love, just one of a kind. Look up to the sky, let yourself unwind.
We are at market area of Saputara, जहाँ पे आपको food, shopping, you can get everything here in just one place. So let's get started. So just now we had our lunch and we are just roaming around the whole Saputara and you can just see तो मानसून सीजन खत्म हो गया है लेकिन फिर भी there is so much rainfall, you cannot see humidity but best atmosphere, no sunlight, nothing. It's a way best atmosphere. You just look at the whole thing. You can just see there is a lot of fog. You can hear the thunder. And yes, it's very nice atmosphere. जब हमने ये ट्रिप प्लान की थी एक्चुअली टाइम एडजस्ट नहीं हो पा रहा था बिकॉज ड्यू टू सम फैमिली इश्यूज लेकिन देन वी जस्ट प्लान चलो अक्टूबर में जाना ही है सो वी जस्ट प्लान इट वेरी रैपिडली और रिव्यूज़ भी ऐसे मिले कि वहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी होगी तो शायद आपका पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा लेकिन गो वी टुक अ रिस्क एंड इट्स totally worth it because the atmosphere is very nice, very good and you can visit. Mostly इसका visiting time होता है August, September लेकिन इस nothing is late तो आप अक्टूबर में भी आ सकते हो. It's too much fun. So yes. At the signature place of Saputara. ये एक ऐसी प्लेस है जहाँ पे यूजुअली जब सापुतारा को विजिट करता है तो ये उसका मस्ट विजिट प्लेस होता है. एवरीवन डू लाइक एंड जस्ट लुक एट द व्यू ऑफ दिस होल थिंग. लेट मी शो यू नाइस ग्रीनरी एंड देयर इज आल्सो अ लेक देयर एंड द माउंटेन्स. I think one thing I like the most about this view is the clouds because I love clouds and we are heading back there. That's our family and so let's begin. The second thing I like the most in this place is the food but sadly COVID की situation के reason के कारण सब कुछ बंद है and I'm not liking it. कुछ stalls अभी भी शुरू हैं लेकिन not everything is open. And also I had forgotten my lapel mic तो मुझे इसकी जगह शूट करना पड़ रहा है इसीलिए अगर बैकग्राउंड में कुछ वॉइस आ रहा है इट्स एन हाईली अपोलोजाइज. तो लेट्स सी द होल अहेड व्यू. जस्ट लुक एट द होल व्यू ऑफ दिस प्लेस. इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. इट्स द टेबल पॉइंट एज आई मैंशन एंड यस दिस इज एन अमेजिंग प्लेस. Shops you can enjoy, but also like the cycles, the camel ride, the horse riding, everything you want you can enjoy here. There are also mini bikes. The cost of this bike is not much and you can enjoy it with your family members, with your friends. It's a very amazing experience you can have. Finally, it's day 2. Yesterday I didn't shoot so much because I want to enjoy the vibes. But today we are going at sightseeing of Saputara. हम वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं by walk. It's a very beautiful place. Like in morning मुझे कल बहुत I was so tired yesterday. So I woke up late. unfortunately. But जब I talked to my mom about the atmosphere in the morning, she told that ये सब चीज़ें was not visible because everything was so foggy. Like you can see the whole foggy atmosphere. Like see the whole foggy atmosphere. It's very pleasant atmosphere. We didn't expected this good atmosphere in this month because usually अक्टूबर के आते आते यहाँ पे बहुत hot day हो जाते हैं, very much sunlight, but fortunately and luckily there is no such things like that, so it's nice. So we came across the viewpoint of Saputara. I don't know exactly the name of this place, but guys, it's very amazing. Just look at the whole view of this place. Today walking all this and to this point, and you can also see the fogs of the mountain. It's very beautiful. It's very pleasant and silent place. You can just peacefully sit and enjoy the each and every vibes of this.
Stars align with a certain mind. You can read the lines and you shall find a universal law, just one of a kind. Look up to the sky.
So we are at Saputara's famous place, which is in Gujarati is known as Gira Dhodh. It is a very beautiful waterfall and a very beautiful natural place to visit. Ending my vlog here. अगर आपको ये vlog अच्छा लगा हो, then do like, share and subscribe. And yes, मिलता हूँ आपको अगले vlog में. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.